Transferring data between Android and iPhone can be tricky. Moving messages between iPhones is easy, but from an iQOO Android to an iPhone, that's harder. Don't worry, we'll show you 3 effective ways to get it done. Method 1. Transfer messages from iQOO to iPhone with phone transfer. Transferring SMS from Android to iPhone isn't easy. Use phone transfer to back up messages from iQOO and iPhone. Merge them, then restore via eTools. It also handles photos, videos, music, and contacts. How to use phone transfer to copy text messages from iQOO to iPhone. Step 1. Export SMS from iQOO and iPhone to your PC. Download and install phone transfer on your computer. Connect both your iQOO phone and iPhone using USB cables. Set your iQOO phone as the source device. You'll see all your files organized by category. Select Messages to view your SMS messages. Load messages from your iQOO. Select Texts, and click Export to PC CSV recommended. Then do the same with your iPhone. Step 2. Merge SMS. Copy iQOO messages into the iPhone CSV below existing messages, and save as a new CSV. Step 3. Import to iPhone. In eTools, connect iPhone Toolbox iTunes Backup, or restore messages. Import from CSV to add the merged file. Method 2. Transfer SMS from iQOO to iPhone via Move to iOS app. Install and open the Move to iOS app on your iQOO phone. Set up your new iPhone and connect it to a Wi-Fi network. Go to Apps and Data. Tap Move Data from Android, then click Continue. Keep the passcode handy. On your iQOO, tap Continue, agree to terms, and enter your iPhone passcode. Connect to Wi-Fi, select Messages next, and wait for the transfer. Tap Done and set up iCloud on your iPhone to view the messages. Method 3. Transfer messages from iQOO to iPhone using SMS Backup Plus. Sign into your Gmail account on your iQOO phone. Go to Settings, Forwarding and POP, or IMAP. Enable IMAP and save. Install SMS Backup Plus on iQOO. Connect your Gmail and tap Backup. Log into the same Gmail on your iPhone to view messages.